Some call it innovation. Others call it vision. We call it the moment when the future takes its first step. And then the future unfolds. In dialogue, in discovery, in the power of coming together. Where startups and young talents pitch bold ideas to build the partnerships that move innovation forward, a platform for breakthrough ideas and for celebrating the best of them. And when the day ends, the conversations continue among peers, partners, and pioneers in a community shaped by trust and shared ambition. What remains is space for what's next, a blank canvas for the ideas of tomorrow. The future is ready. Are you?